All right, YouTube. Jeff Trainor here. Let's do it. Right here is the power of the internet. All these people can run right to your business. Okay, YouTube, let's go. It's Jeff Trainor, and I wanted to talk about another business model today. This one's number 5, a paid subscription niche site. Now, what you could do with this is you charge members to belong to your site, and you spend the time finding a directory of the stuff they love. It could be anything like free stuff for them, like sample products. It could be website links. It could be ebooks in the niche. It could be e-zines that have magazine articles about the niche. It could be videos. It could be special products. It could be member-only specials and discounts. It could be maps and locations of stores that sell your niche products so that they could find where to go and get stuff. So, all this is interesting, but does it work? Why would this business model work, and does it work? Yes, it works. It's because of time. People don't want to sit on the computer and spend 4 hours a day searching for what they're looking for. And that's why YouTube is so famous today. People go on YouTube and they just type in, and a video pops up. But when you have a niche website like this, a directory niche website that people could go to and find everything on one site, it's very valuable. It saves them a lot of time. And people are willing to pay for such things as time savers, and they'll even pay for, services where they don't have to look at ads. There's lots of people out there that will go ad-free and will pay to do it. And they'll pay a pretty penny to do it too. You get a couple thousand members and they're all paying $10 a month to join your niche site like this, and you can make tens of thousands of dollars a month. And also in this directory niche site, you could also sell advertising space from businesses in your niche. So let me go over this site with you. It's the directory theme, and again, it's a premium press site, and I'm very familiar with it, and I'll take you through it, and I think you'll like it. So here we go. It's a premium press WordPress site, and it's a template site. It's really easy to use. You could have this thing up and running in no time, even if you don't know WordPress. And if you have problems with it, the customer service is excellent. And this site only costs $79 today. It's well worth that. And basically, I'll go through this site, show you step by step what it has and what it offers and how you can make money with this site. And if you like my screen recorder, I'd like to give that a shout out also. I use a screen recorder. It's really easy to use, and the link is in the description of this video. But basically, for this example, we'll show a directory for an online business directory to find local businesses in your area. And for my example, mine was a paid subscription niche site. So this could be any niche of your choosing. And you can make money in the various ways that I talked about. But basically, you could have a blog, pages, as many pages as you want, as many blogs as you want. You could do a daily blog for search engine optimization, a membership pricing. You could charge whatever you want. You could even charge free and then just sell advertising on your website. Or you could go through and have different packages for a set amount of days, or, as these people join, they receive something different. Like, for example, for $20, they could put an ad on your site or a video for a week. For $40, it could be a 3-week video. $60, you could keep it on there for a year. You could change these prices. Anything you want to do with this site. That's what makes these sites so beautiful and wonderful, is the variety you could do with it. So basically, this directory theme has a members area where people sign up right here. They could, let me click over to that. Right here you could put banner advertising if you want. The members area, you could have people sign in with Twitter, Facebook, or use a username and password. And across the front of your homepage, people could have a search bar, and then you could list your top searches so they could look and say, okay, and just click on a button and get there. And then basically your directory site will look something like this in any niche that you want. You could have strictly all businesses or ads or ebooks or anything, for each slide here. And this one's just a sample of what you could do. Let's look at the Mayflower. People could share it. It has a map of the location of where it's at. Pictures. You could charge businesses a fortune to be listed on your site. And a good niche site you could do with these is town specific, or even township specific. You could say, I live in a town of, for example, Meadville, Pennsylvania, a small city of 12,000 people. And you could just list all the restaurants and have people, have it up as a niche Meadville restaurant site, or a niche Meadville brewery site. The things you could do with this site are limitless. And you could have people send their own pictures in, or you could go to their businesses, which is a really good business model, and take the pictures and put it on your site for a fee. And you can charge a few $100s for each one you do like that. And then, of course, they have a description of their business or whatever you're doing, a contact form. And you could even create the sites yourself and then have a owner work here, claim the site button, where people will claim the site. And then you say, hey, I see you claimed your site. I'm glad that you like what I did for you. How about tossing me a bone or join my newsletter? And then you hit them with advertising the next year and say to continue being on our site, it'll cost you $250. This is a good business model, guys. I just, for my example, I said use it as a paid subscription niche site for subscribers. But you could work the site in a variety of ways so that the businesses pay, or that your members pay, or you could have free members and just strictly have the businesses pay. You could get a lot creative with this site. Let's look at another one, a bookstore. So then there's some nice pictures of their bookstore. You know immediately when you go here that it's Watkins Books. Stacks of books. Somebody clicks through and says, hey, that looks like a really cool bookstore. I'd like to check that out. It's in London. I live right by there. Cool. And then you could have their hours of operation. It's just a really good, clean, crisp directory theme that gives out a lot of information and can make you a ton of money. But again, you have to work it. It's not going to happen overnight. You have to work it as a business. It's not a multi-level marketing scheme. And you should know by now that I don't like those things. I don't like all the people online that are just spreading, make $1 million overnight by doing this. No, the way to do it is with a business, and you work that business and the business grows. It's like my tree. You plant the seed and pretty soon you have a money tree that's huge. It takes time and effort, but the time and effort is worth it. So I hope you like this video. If you got some value, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel for more business models and for more of my programs that I'll be listing in the future. And, I want you guys to succeed. I want to help you as much as I can. So feel free to comment, share this video. And this is Jeff Trainor. We'll see you in the next video. Again, if you like this screen recorder, the link is in the description. And the link to this directory theme is also in the description. I hope you check it out and like it. And, I own these sites myself, and I can honestly tell you that I'm very happy with them, and I like the company that produces them, and they come out with new themes all the time, and I highly recommend them. Thanks for watching this video. Jeff Trainor. Adios till next time.